got a pneumatic today. Yes, this pneumatic, in fact, that I got given a little while ago for free. Owners just didn't want it anymore, really. It runs, although it's not in the best of health, so we need to have a look at that. And yeah, I'll show you my latest, time of filming this video, new toy. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner and pneumatic chums, how are you today? Yes, this is an NRV200 from week 2, 2013. So, a couple of years old now really, although it is actually the first bigger pneumatic that I have ever had really, apart from the George I had brand new a few years ago. Deal with the elephant in the room first, because yes, the pneumatic police would have already been on this. This is not a genuine hose. No, it's also broken. And rather than just fixing the end really rather easily, let's do a bit of archaeology. This isn't going to be a long video because I don't really have a lot to show you. Take the tape off and see, because it won't keep this hose anyway, but they are very handy to have, because using, certainly on this end, the inner bit and a small length of hose, you can convert Hoover Junior 119s to take bags. Now I'm not actually sure what the heck that was for, because there's no, I was expecting it to be split, but it's not. So we'll have a think about that when we come to turn it on, pop that in the bin and show you the machine. So yes, it is a 2012 with the clicky low-high and obviously the clicky switch. Cord rewind, it's still got its original plug. Cable, I think it's in actually fine condition. I have actually used this a few times. When it came, I cleaned the car out of it. So, you know, I do know a little bit more than just never used it before. But yeah, if we open it up, we can see that, and this is actually something else I'm going to say, this isn't the original filter. Underneath there is quite clean, really. It had a quite full non-genuine paper bag in it. So that does have, and that can explain everything in a minute. This isn't the filter it came with, actually. You can see the state of that. My stepmother bought a van load of furniture down from the family up in Peterborough. He wouldn't take diesel money for it. And I saw this absolutely trashed Henry in the back of the van. I said, oh, what's the bags for that? Bags? What bags? So, like, okay, so I just swapped his filter out. This is after it's been bashed out, and gave him a couple of Hepaflow bags. So I'll put this back in here so it has one. But yeah, this isn't actually the filter it came with, but it doesn't really matter. They're all the same. It was quite dusty as well. So yeah, there's the filter. There's the inside. Underneath, the wheels aren't too trashed. It's just a bit dusty. There is a date wheel on here, which is January 2013, so it's the original bucket. Has a 3D face on it, which, I won't take off now, but yeah, 3D face job, as they all are now, although I think 2013 is roughly when they came in. Don't know. Yeah. Very nice. Indeed. That's a bit stiff to go on. So yeah, this is my first big pneumatic. I was half tempted to keep it, but I'm not, so this is going to be a before refurb video, and you'll get the after, but let me go and find some power. And we shall address the issue. With the suction, that's on low. Ready? moistureless. Don't think it's actually done it any damage. It sounds really smooth otherwise, but yeah, the fan is full of dust. So part of the refurb is going to have that sorted. I want to just check this hose. There's still no destruction, and there's no air leak there at all, so I'm not quite sure what the hell all that tape is about. I'll be honest, but it won't see that hose again. You'll see what we put on it in the after video, because it's going to be sold. Let's go and unplug it, because I'll be honest, we're haven't really got much more to tell you, because it is what it is. It's a Numatic with no tools. I took the bag out ages ago because I needed to use it, so we couldn't waste 30 seconds doing that. Yeah, it does have its parking slot, although I haven't got the floor tool to go with it. Yeah, not too bad at all. It runs. Once the fan's washed, it will run well. Yeah, it's a Numatic that I've never really had. I don't really know too much about them apart from seeing them in catalogues, although obviously we all know what it really is. And yeah, basically, there we go. My NRV, that's what it is, 200 before refurbishment. So, short and sweet today, sorry about that, but plenty more to come. Actually, I've got a fair few more Numatics to come as well, so. And thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.